Hello friends, let's continue the drawing of molecular orbital of odd carbon system. Here cyclopentadienyl system. In cyclopentadienyl system, this is the cyclopentadienyl system. See here examples: CH2 double bond CH, CH double bond CH, CH2 minus cyclopentadienyl anion. Cyclopentadienyl anion. Another species CH2 double bond CH, CH double bond CH, CH2 plus. So cyclopentadienyl cation as the species, and another CH2 CH double bond CH, CH double bond CH, CH2 radical. So this is radical species. So all these three species contain 5 carbon atoms involved in the reaction. So 5 carbon atom system. So 5 molecular orbitals are there, 5 atomic orbitals are there, 5 molecular orbitals. So which are the 5 molecular orbitals? See 5 molecular orbitals: Psi1, Psi2, Psi3, Psi4, Psi5. These are 5 molecular orbitals involved in the reaction. So 5 molecular orbitals in which central is always non-bonding. So non-bonding molecular orbital is the central orbital, Psi3, and 2 are bonding remaining, and remaining 2 are anti-bonding. Okay, so these are 5 molecular orbitals. Let's see how to draw these orbitals. Let's see the drawing of these orbitals. So Psi1, Psi2, Psi3, Psi4 star, Psi5 star. So 5 orbitals we draw here. So this is central. We know that it is non-bonding. Let's see the number of nodes. Number of nodes. So here it contains 0 node, 1 node, 2 nodes, 3 nodes, and 4 nodes. Okay, 4 nodes. Now see 0 nodes are there. So 5 atomic orbitals: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 atomic orbitals. Okay, 0 nodes are there. That's why plus, 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 minus, 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 minus. So 5 orbitals we have drawn on the side. So 0 nodes, that means no node, no change in sign. This is 1 node. What is the rule for even orbital? Even number of orbital? The rule is that first node passes here, only 1 node, so it is the first and last. So first node passes through the nucleus and remaining, first node passes through the nucleus and remaining in between the nucleus. So first passes through the nucleus. So this is central orbital, 1 node only. So 2, 3, 4, 5. Where we have put the node? First node passes through the nucleus. So it passes through the nucleus, means node goes there, and if node passes through the nucleus, then we don't have to draw the nucleus, don't have to draw the orbital, first node. Now non-bonding. How many nodes? 2 nodes are there. 2 nodes are there. And all these 2 nodes passes through the nucleus, passes through the orbital. So it passes through the orbital, then 1 node is here and another node is here. Okay, so we don't have to draw the orbital, because for non-bonding we know that the rule is that all the nodal plane passes through the nucleus. All the nodal plane passes through the nucleus. Next is the Psi4. 4, it is an even number. 4 is even number. So even number, for even number, what is the rule? First node passes through the nucleus and remaining, first node passes through the nucleus and remaining in between. So first node, where we have to put the first node centrally? There 3 nodes are there. So first node here from this nucleus. So first node passes through the nucleus and remaining in between. So it is in between the 2 orbitals. Here in between the 2 orbitals. So 3 nodes are adjusted in this manner, in this way. So Psi4, for even, first node passes through the nucleus and remaining are in between. Now for odd number, all the nodal plane passes in between the nucleus. So 4 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so give the signs here. Start with plus. Here plus, after node it becomes minus, minus. So minus, minus, after node it becomes plus, plus. Here plus, after node it becomes minus, after node again it becomes plus. So minus, after node it becomes plus, after node it becomes minus. So here plus, after node it becomes minus, after node it becomes plus, after node it becomes minus. So minus, here again plus, after node it is minus, and after node it again plus. So here plus, after node minus, after node plus, after node minus, and after node plus. So opposite signs we have to write here minus. So these are orbital drawing. What are the simple rules? First rule is that for non-bonding orbital, all the nodal plane passes through the nucleus. If passes through the nucleus, then we don't have to draw that particular orbit. Directly draw the nodes when it passes through the nucleus. And for non-bonding, all the nodal plane passes through the nucleus. Here, for even number of molecular orbital, even number such as 2, 4, 6. For even number of molecular orbital, first node passes through the nucleus. And remaining in between. So we are drawn here in between two nodes, and one is through the nucleus. So we didn't draw the orbital here. So it passes through the nucleus and two in between. And for odd number of orbital, all the nodal plane passes in between the orbitals, or in between the carbon nucleus. So in between we have written all the nodes. So these are orbital drawing. Let's see the symmetries. So it has EM symmetry. First having EM symmetry, because when we pass the plane from center and fold it, and then plus sign coincide on plus, plus on plus, so EM symmetry. Here see, when we pass the plane from center and fold it, then what happens? Plus coincide on minus. Here this plus coincide on minus. So it is C2 symmetry. C2 symmetry. Okay. Here see, from plus, minus, plus, pass the plane from center. When we pass the plane from center and fold it, what happens? Plus coincide on plus, minus on minus, and this is actually we pass plane, then it already divided into two similar parts. So it is having EM symmetry. Here see, when we pass the plane and fold the orbital, that is observed that negative sign coincides on positive, positive on negative, that means opposite sign coincides, and this C2 symmetry. Another format to find out C2 symmetry, is that where C2 symmetry from center go some distance, you will find a negative sign, again goes some same distance but in opposite direction, you will find here negative charge. So here in this case, this rule is applicable for any orbital. So from center, you are passing here some distance, you will get negative charge. Passing same distance but in opposite direction, you will find a negative charge. So such condition occurs, then C2 symmetric orbital is there, molecular orbital is there. Now in this case, when you pass plane from center, and it is observed that negative coincide on negative, positive on positive, so M symmetric orbital is there. So these are the symmetry notation for here, symmetry distribution. Now electron distribution we have to see here. Electron distribution for these three species, that is radical, anion and cation. So anion, cation and radical species, electron distribution for these three species. So see here, anion how many electron? 2 electron from this pi bond, 2 electron from this pi bond, 4, and 2 from the negative charge. So 6 electrons are there. So 2 electron, 4 and 6 electron total distributed in this way. In this way. Now see the cation. electrons from this pi bond, 2 electrons from this pi bond, and this is positive charge, so it is electron diffusion. So total 4 electrons involved in these, which are distributed energy wise in this manner. So for radical, 2 electrons from this, 2 electrons from this, and 1 is here. 2 electrons in the first orbital, 2 in the second, and third orbital contain 1 electron. So this is the electron distribution for radical species. So if you ask to draw the molecular orbitals of odd carbon system, such as they may give a name, such as draw the molecular orbitals of allyl system, cyclopentadienyl system, allyl system, cyclopentadienyl cation, cyclopentadienyl anion, cyclopentadienyl radical. In this way, allyl cation, allyl anion, allyl radical. Then draw the molecular orbitals in this way and give the electron distribution for this. And simple rules for this: for non-bonding molecular orbital in odd carbon system, one is always non-bonding orbital and two are bonding and remaining two are anti-bonding. And for drawing node, the rules are that for non-bonding orbital, all nodal plane passes through the nucleus. For even orbital, that is 2, 4, 6. For even orbital, all the nodal plane, out of all the nodal plane, one passes through the nucleus and remaining nodal plane passes in between the nucleus. And for odd number of carbon atoms or odd number of orbital, all the nodal plane passes in between the nucleus or in between the orbitals. So these are simple rules. You can draw the orbitals and also symmetries and electron distribution in this way. So your syllabus for pericyclic chemistry has been completed. For pericyclic reaction, which contain electrocyclic reaction, cycloaddition reaction, sigmatropic rearrangement, and group transfer reaction, also 1,3 dipole addition, and here a drawing of molecular orbital for odd carbon systems such as allyl system, allyl cation, allyl anion, allyl radical, and also such as cyclopentadienyl system. You can also extend it for some more number of carbon atoms. You can also extend it for more number of carbon atoms. You can draw it in the similar manner. So thank you very much.